Looking for a bookkeeping job. Job seekers, is this you? Looking for an accounting or bookkeeping job and don't know where to turn? Look no further. I'll try to help you fit the pieces of the puzzle together by providing you with some guidance and recommendations about what you need to do to get the job you want. If you're looking to find a bookkeeping job, here are some steps you can take. Update your resume and skills if needed. Make sure your resume highlights your relevant skills, experience, and education in bookkeeping. Include any certifications or courses you have completed. Tailor your resume to emphasize your bookkeeping expertise. If needed, brush up on your bookkeeping skills with online bookkeeping and accounting tutorials and courses. Network. Reach out to your professional network, such as friends, family, former colleagues, and classmates. Let them know you're looking for a bookkeeping job and ask if they have any leads or can provide a reference. Networking events and online forums related to accounting and finance can also be valuable for connecting with potential employers. Online job search. Utilize job search websites and platforms that specialize in accounting and bookkeeping positions. Tailor your search to include keywords like bookkeeper, accounting clerk, or accounting assistant. You can also set up job alerts that match your criteria so you receive notifications when relevant positions become available. Professional organizations. Join professional bookkeeping organizations. These organizations often have job boards or resources for finding bookkeeping positions. Local businesses and accounting firms. Research local businesses, accounting firms, or bookkeeping services in your area. Visit their websites and check for any job postings or contact information. Consider sending a targeted cover letter and resume to these companies, expressing your interest in a bookkeeping position. Temporary or freelance work. Consider taking on temporary or freelance bookkeeping assignments to gain experience and expand your network. Websites like Upwork and Freelancer often have bookkeeping opportunities available. Online presence. Establish an online presence by creating a LinkedIn profile and highlighting your bookkeeping skills and experience. Connect with professionals in the accounting and finance industry and join relevant groups to expand your network and job opportunities. Remember to customize your application materials for each job you apply for and follow up with potential employers after submitting your application. Good luck with your job search.